What's up everyone? So I trimmed my mustache. The mustache was just getting a little bit too bothersome for me. I had a meeting with a client that I really needed to look a little sharper for. So I took a little bit of weight out of here and here. And I'm just gonna talk about that because the mustache is one of the most important parts of the beard, and if you don't look after it, then it's gonna look pretty rubbish at the end of growing the beard for a year. And actually for the whole beard itself, like, it's gonna need probably a sizable trim because I've got a lot of dead hairs. There's a lot of split ends. You can see how much weight there is in here. I just think that it's gonna need a bit of love, a bit of care. It's not the end of the world, but before I do that, I need to go make some coffee. I'm just gonna make it on an espresso machine, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go. Good cup of coffee goes a long way to making everything good in the day. So, the mustache, trimming the beard, doing a year. Wait, I haven't trimmed the beard. Right. Let's just talk this through, because I know some of you are gonna probably feel a little bit cheated that I've trimmed the mustache whilst I'm still doing the year. But for me, it was the only thing that I could really do to sort of save the mustache. The mustache wasn't looking good. It was ballooning out massively, and I've been trying various waxes, Fine Fettle, Bedfordshire Beard Co and Captain Fawcett's. 3 of the best mustache waxes on the market. Like, you won't beat them. Like, I can't see any brand coming close to them. Beard brand, very good as well actually. 4 of them. I've tried another one from Balboa Beard Co, fairly good as well, very light natural hold. But the other ones that I mentioned, the other 4, are very strong holds. I say very strong, they're really easy to apply, but they give a decent hold. And they weren't touching it unless I really twisted it. I don't want that thin looking mustache pencil look. I want a decent sort of handlebar mustache. I want eventually to curl it up. And it was just not sitting right. I just couldn't do anything with it. It was constantly in my mouth. And the crazy thing is, I haven't really taken anything off the mustache whatsoever. I put a V in to promote the growth out that way. And I just took the really fuzzy, damaged hair off the ends, and it's worked an absolute treat. I didn't actually record any of it. I just wanted to focus on getting it right, doing a good job of it. I haven't actually got the beard styled. Like, I've been out all morning to the vet's. That's like an hour away from my home, just so my dog can get her eyes sorted out. And I mean, I kind of rolled out of bed, gave my beard a quick brush. So the mustache isn't styled. You'll see the mustache style. I'll do a mustache styling video with Fine Fettle wax, Bedfordshire Beard Co wax, with Beard Brand wax, with Captain Fawcett's wax, and equally I'm going to do one with Balboa because it's more of like a vegan based almost. It's got some different waxes and stuff. It hasn't got lanolin in it like the others, and I'm just going to show you how I style the mustache with each of those, because I quite enjoy all 5 of those mustache waxes. But yeah, that's it for in terms of the mustache. It's something I'm going to look after very much so. I'm not going to let it get to that state again. It kind of got to the point where doing the year, I've been so blindly just going for it and just not wanting to trim anything whatsoever, apart from just this bit here, because when I get a haircut, I don't want the hair like sticking out here. But there's been no length off anything here. It's just these tiny little bits just here and just on the ends of the mustache and the V. That's the only thing I've done. and I think it looks so much better now. And yeah, I'm really excited. Next month, 20th of July is actually when the year comes to an end. I've kind of missed out a bunch of videos just because I haven't been able just to sit down like this, because my schedule has been so crazy with work, trying to sell this house, which we've done, and it's just been busy. So I haven't been able to do all the videos I want to do throughout the year series. They're still there. I'm still going to be doing them just post-year, when I'm likely to have taken a bit of length off of this, got into a bit of a shape, and then let it go again for probably for another 6 months to a year of just letting it grow and seeing what happens. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully I didn't butcher the coffee cinematic. I mean, it's not going to be any Peter McKinnon one, but hey, yeah, we're learning, and that's what's important. I think that's it, guys. We'll talk very, very, very soon, my friends. Oh, quickly, let me know in the comments if you kind of what you prefer from me. So I'm quite cool just to sit down like this and talk at the camera, give some good information out. Hopefully it's good, otherwise what's the point of doing it? And upload the video, maybe with less editing. Or do you prefer really edited videos that maybe are condensed a lot more, maybe got some cinematics, things like that? Let me know. I'm trying to get the balance right, and I'm not quite getting it because I'm getting one video out a week now where I want to get 3 videos out a week, but I just probably need to do a shift in terms of my content creation at present. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you very soon. Yeah, bye. Subscribe. Oh yeah. Some good coffee.